Hello, 6th class. Today, in chapter 3, The World of Books, we will be learning some famous lines written by the poets. Here are a large number of poets given, and every one of them has given some line which is remembered by everybody. Many of the people they remember that line. The first, which one is given here? My heart is like a singing bird. What is that? My heart is like a singing bird. So, what is the name of this poet? Christina Rossetti. Then second, Miles to Go Before I Sleep, Robert Frost. Then third, A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever. It is being given by John Keats. My love is like a red, red rose, Robert Burns. Then we are having here water, water everywhere, not nor any drop to drink. S.T. Coleridge. Then we are having another one. The innocent and the beautiful have no enemy but time. It has been given by W.B. Yeats. Then we are having She Walks in Beauty Like a Night. Seventh part, that is Lord Byron. Then our sweetest song are those that tell us saddest thoughts. Point number 8, it has been given P.B. Shelley. Then we got ninth one, break, break, break on the cold grey stone, O seal. It has been given Alfred Tennyson. Then Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. Point number 10 is given by T.S. Eliot. All the worlds are stage. It has been given William Shakespeare. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses. The 12 number is been written by R.L. Stevenson. Similarly, there are in the world of books, there are certain Indian authors who had done great work all around the world. So we are talking about known as courageous writer. He depicts magical realism in his essays and novel. He has mainly written on the link between East and West. In 2017, Queen Elizabeth II knighted him for his service to the literature, and the one that is Salman Rushdie. Then second, we are having he has written 4 novels which has inspired major movies, making him a youth icon. The New York Times termed him the biggest selling English language novelist in India's history. So this one is our Chetan Bhagat. Then third one, a novelist, a travel writer, poet, memoirist. He is best known for his epic novel, A Suitable Boy. He is the distinguished winner of W. H. Smith Literary Award and the Commonwealth Writer Prize. Number 3 is Vikram Seth. Then a novelist and a social activist. She rose to the fame with her God of Small Things, which got her worldwide acclaim, that is Arundhati Roy. He is a Nobel literate, novelist, essayist of Indo-Trinidadian descent. He is the winner of literary prizes like John Lloyd Rim Prize, Somerset Maugham Award, and etc. Point number 5, he is V.S. Naipaul. Then sixth, he is an anthropologist and prolific writer. He was born in Calcutta, but his student life coursed across Delhi, Oxford, and Egypt. That is Amitav Ghosh. Then we are having seventh number. He is a popular motivational writer and author of several best sellers. His first book, You Can Win, was published in 1998, and he is Shiv Kheda. Now let us come to another next chapter, that is Young Scientist. The solar system. There are a lot of options which are being given, and we have to pick the correct option which is there. Nebula, black hole, is a huge cloud of gas or dust found in the space between stars. Second one, sun is the closest star to the earth. Galaxy is a vast collection of stars, gas and dust spinning in the space. Constellation is a group of stars that together forms a recognizable shape. Asteroids are lumps of rocks that orbit the sun. Meteor is a streak of light in the night sky caused by the frictional heating of piece of rock from space entering into the Earth atmosphere. Then seventh one, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as terrestrial planets. Sirius is only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. Atmosphere of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune is primarily due to hydrogen and helium. Nicholas Copernicus proved that all the planets in our solar system around the sun they move around the sun. Now the solar system is located in Milky Way galaxy that we all know. Then we are having Kuiper belt is a region of the solar system extending beyond the planet Neptune and believed to be the place of origin of many comets. Titan is the largest moon of the Saturn and the second largest moon in the solar system after Jupiter's moon Ganymede. Earth atmosphere primarily has nitrogen and oxygen.